That's pretty cool. You're getting it. Your pole came out again. I think if you put the tree down, like,
oh shit!
it's one of those easy assembles.
This is an easy assemble. I got half of Christmas stuck up my ass. Oh god! Blessed, I can't get this thing. I think I'm gonna have to go bottom ways up.
Yeah, try refolding it and then putting it on. There you go. Now try. Get your pole standing up. Okay, get the pole standing up. So is the pole put together fine?
Pole's put
Okay,
together the way it's supposed
now
to go.
put the tree back the way it was in the box, and then look at it. The instructions say let tree